Monkey Bay. Just been up. Nice beautiful lookout. Yeah. It's just up over there. Real beautiful lookout if you it's about a half-hour drive out of Picton. If you're heading towards Blenheim, the road that goes off to your left, and just follow that out. There's a dock site up there. I haven't actually seen anything about that on the maps, but I'll have a look and might end up coming out and bring the caravan out. Yeah, beautiful spot. Heaps of parks. I think you can camp in tents and stuff as well, so yeah, choice.